So here's a great question that tests your ability on lines and angles. So pause the video and try to solve it for yourself. Although this may seem tricky at first glance, one trick with parallel lines is to actually extend them out, drawing an imaginary line as it's called, and see if that helps us solve the question. So the first thing to realize is that you have what's called alternate interior angles, and as a rule, with two parallel lines cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are the same value. This way we know that the angle in the middle is 80 degrees. So if that angle is 80 degrees, we know that the other angle, called the supplementary angle, must be 100 degrees, since they must both add to 180 degrees. The angle inside that triangle over there must equal to 50 degrees, since the sum of all angles in a triangle must equal to 180 degrees. That's another rule. And with that angle of 50 degrees, we know that the vertical angle across it must also be 50 degrees. That's what's called the vertical angle theorem. To finish off, we can calculate the last angle inside the triangle to be 60 degrees, since again, they must all add to 180. The final step in solving this question is to find the supplementary angle, which ends up being 120 degrees, and that is the final answer.